On this channel, we've covered a ton of open source agentic IDEs from Quoter to Void to even Trade. But there's always been that one that I never got a chance to actually try out because of my operating system couldn't actually host it. And that was Zed AI. Finally, I've gotten access to the beta nightly build for Windows. And with the official release coming later in October, all I can say is this open source IDE is truly insane. Zed AI is the next generation code editor that's built for high performance collaboration with humans as well as with AI, where you can literally code at the speed of thought. And here's the key reason why I feel so fast. Zed AI is actually built with Rust, which gives a serious edge in terms of its performance and responsiveness, which is why I found it to be really fast in comparison to other IDEs. This was one of the ideas I really wanted to try the most, and now that I can, I'm truly amazed because it's lightweight, lightning fast, as well as packed with agentic features. But here's the wild part. It comes with insane integrations right inside the editor, like Claude Code and Gemini CLI directly built within it. The fact that Claude Code is backed right inside Zed means that you can generate refactor code as well as review it in real time without ever leaving that editor. It honestly feels like a pair programmer with an AI that keeps up with you at full speed. And with Gemini CLI being fully integrated into Zed, you're not just coding, you're actually orchestrating workflows, running tools, pulling in extensions, and even feeding in live documentation context with the Gemini model's large context, all while collaborating with AI at terminal speeds. And the best part is, Gemini CLI provides a free tier which lets you use it completely for free. But not just that, Zed AI has many features that you wouldn't typically see in other agentic IDEs, like a native debugger, which has native multi-language debugging built within the IDE. You also have Git Support, edit predictions, remote deployment, also have multi-buffer editing, as well as interactive programming. There's so many other features, and you obviously have the typical agentic AI features like autocomplete, an AI chat panel, and so much more. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe as this is completely for free. To get started, it is super easy. Just simply go over to their website, and if you're on macOS or Linux, you can simply use their one-click installer to get started. But say if you're on Windows and you want to easily get started with it, you can use the beta access, which is the nightly build that you can install with this GitHub repo. And I'll leave a link to this in the description below, but just keep in mind that they are aiming to launch in October, I believe, for their official release for Windows. After installing, you can then open up Zed AI. And the first thing I recommend that you do is simply going ahead and create an account, which you can do completely for free. After signing up or logging in, what you can do now is simply go ahead and either open up a new file or a project, or you can easily just start from scratch. But on the bottom, you're going to be able to manage the project panel where you can manage all your files as well as your folders. You can even manage your Git repositories. You have the ability to manage outlines. And then there's also a collaboration tab where you can actually have team members deployed, and you can just simply sign in with GitHub so that you can collaborate, edit, voice shared notes directly live in action with other team members. There's also a built-in project search feature where you can search different paths a part of your project. And you also have a diagnostic that will showcase all the problems a part of your project. Now, heading over to the AI features, on the bottom right, you can open up the agent panel, and this is where you can easily message the Zed agent to accomplish any task autonomously. You can now also add new integrations by clicking on this plus sign, and then you can integrate Gemini CLI as well as Claude Code directly into the Zed IDE. There's also a native debugger built within, which we'll take a look at later on. There's also the terminal that you can manage. And then lastly, there's also edit predictions. This is essentially a new feature that Zed AI has introduced with their IDE, and it anticipates your next move with Zeta, their open large language model. This button over here is called follow mode, and this is where you can follow the agent around as it makes edits in your codebase, which is a really great feature. But let me just showcase a demo of this live in action. This is where I've integrated Claude Code as the ACP, and then I can send in any prompt like creating a SaaS landing page. But now this is just a rough demo to showcase the agents being deployed directly within Zed to execute the task of creating a SaaS landing page. Over here, it is creating a plan as to how it's going to execute it, like creating the HTML structure, adding CSS styling, as well as including JavaScript for the interactive elements. What's nice is that you'll also get a preview of the code that was written. So it doesn't just right away save it to your files. You can manually review through it and you can approve it so that it then actually saves it after you had taken a look at it. You can change that mode by changing it so that you can accept edits, you can bypass permissions, or there is a plan mode which thoroughly creates a structure before actually generating the code. So it looks like it is asking for our approval. Once we have reviewed it, we can actually go ahead and allow that file to be created. And while it's generating our landing page, something you can do is if you click on these three dots, you can actually view the server extensions over here. And this is where you can easily go ahead and install MCPs and different sorts of extensions that will overall enhance your usage with Zed. You also have the ability to set custom rules and add custom servers. So essentially, if you want to add a custom rule like cursor rules, you can definitely do so directly within Zed. But now that it has finished generating our SaaS landing page, we can go ahead and open it up within our default app, which is the browser. And there we go. We have a beautiful SaaS landing page that has animations, and it was able to do all this completely all on its own. You can see that it tried its best to add various components like testimonials, the pricing page, the FAQ, and the bottom footer. Overall, this looks pretty nice, and it did it quite rapidly. Now, like I had mentioned at the start, one of the biggest upgrades to Zed is its native debugger. And unlike many of the other editors that we've showcased, there's no actual reliable external tooling that can help you ship first class debugging support. With Zed, you have it so that there's breakpoints, step through code, as well as the ability to inspect variables and track execution flows directly inside the editor. So this way you can actually find different errors and have it resolved all on its own with the AI. How it works is pretty interesting. If there is a code that you notice is faulty or there might be an error, you can simply go ahead and add a breakpoint. And essentially, this breakpoint would be referred by the debugger within this panel, where you can go ahead and start a new process where you can find the debug task and then you can provide that breakpoint to then have AI agents deployed to resolve it. And guys, remember, if you want to get a live preview of what's happening, you can click on this button so that you can actually see what Zed Agent is actually working on in terms of writing new code. You can have it visualized directly within the code editor. And obviously, this is an Agentic IDE, so you also have like autocomplete, you also have AI suggestions, and much more that you can easily implement. If you like this video and would love to support the channel, you can consider donating to my channel through the super thanks option below. Or you can consider joining our private Discord where you can access multiple subscriptions to different AI tools for free on a monthly basis, plus daily AI news and exclusive content, plus a lot more. But that's basically it, guys, for today's video on Zed AI. This isn't just another code editor, it's the next generation open source IDE that you can use for its speed, collaboration, as well as its AI native workflow. Thrust powered, and its performance is truly unique in its own way. I really like the native debugger, which is why I really liked it a lot. And this is something that I could see myself using, especially now that it's available on Windows. But with that thought, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and got some sort of value. I'll leave all these links in the description below. Make sure you go ahead and take a look at them. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel, join our newsletter, join our private Discord, follow me on Twitter. And lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.